मेरा क्या होगा? So that's a typical question which is coming now more frequently after the CET result. So in this video we'll cover up all the main aspects. This is the overall video. I'm going to go deep down into each of the section one by one so that you can take an informed decision of what to do. The problem is CET cap round is a long process. We'll come to the exact college in August, and August will be too late to decide whether you want to do it again or जो भी करना है. So let's take it as today. At the end of the video, you have to decide what to have, what to do, what not to do. So I would recommend you to show this video to your parents as well, so that in case they have the if they want to guide you or they are already guiding you, so they can also take an informed decision what to do, what not to do. So first option we have is cap rounds. So if you've got a good CET percentile, you will be going through the cap rounds. So for that, JB will be at 99.94 percentile, SIDNAM 99.7. So go to cetking.com/CET. I've uploaded the cutoff for all the main colleges and their category, open, OBC, SC, SC, सबका cutoff डाल दिया. तो cetking.com/CET, or in the description box I've added the link as well. You can directly go there and see the video also for the MMS cutoff. But 98.5 के नीचे you will not. 99.5 is the cutoff for top 4. JB, SIDNAM, Somaya, Willinger will end at 99.5. Worst case 99.4. ठीक है. 98.5 SIS डालमिया पुम्बा will end at 98.5. Worst case 98.5 पे मिलेगा. MET, IS, Chetna, Xavier's all will end at 97.5 approximately. So if you've scored 97 percentile and below, you are not getting the top 10 colleges through CET. उसके नीचे बहुत colleges, the total 175 colleges in Mumbai only. I don't recommend most of the colleges. For me, JB, worst case SIDNAM, Somaya. उसके नीचे I don't recommend. But yeah, everyone have to join something, you can't repeat. So I'm recommending the other colleges as well. But this is the cutoff for the top 10 colleges. 95, 92, 90 percentile is the cutoff for Vidyarankar College, for Ramdev Baba, Nagpur, all those colleges. So MMS is over at 97.5 worst case. So go to cetking.com/CET. You can see the cutoff there, so they can decide. अगर तो आप टॉप 10 में जाना चाहते हो तो दैट्स द कट ऑफ. उसके नीचे अगर जाना है, ठाकुर कॉलेज, लालास कॉलेज, और लॉट ऑफ अदर कॉलेज एज वेल, बट प्लेसमेंट की फाइट रहेगा वहाँ पे. ठीक है. एंड अदर बी स्कूल विच आर बिलो दैट, सो प्लेसमेंट का प्रॉब्लम आने वाला है. अब लेके चलो कि देन यू आर सेक्रीफाइसिंग दैट. सो दिस इज माई मेन कंसर्न यार. पेरेंट्स से कि नहीं ऐसा एडमिशन लो, जो कॉलेज मिलता ले लो. बीकॉम में तो किया ही ना, इंजीनियरिंग में तो किया ना, कहीं से भी. सी कहीं से भी इंजीनियरिंग करो चलता है, लेकिन कहीं से भी MBA करके नहीं चलता. बिकॉज दीज 6 लाख की जॉब, 5 लाख की जॉब इज नॉट गोइंग टू कम इन न्यूज़पेपर. दे आर अवेलेबल फॉर MBAs एंड पीपल हु आर परफॉर्मिंग गुड इन इंडस्ट्री. ठीक है. तभी 6 लाख के ऊपर सैलरी जाता है. सो माई एडवाइस नॉट टू कम्प्रोमाइज. सो एक बार ये कट ऑफ देखो तो ये आपको मिल रहा था कि वो कैप राउंड का भूत खत्म हो जाए. ट्रस्ट मी मोर, अगर आपका स्कोर कम आया तो. ठीक है. तो ये अपना फेज़ 1 हो गया. फेज़ 2 इज अ PGDM कोर्सेज. सो विलिंकर PGDM कोर विल बी एट 90 परसेंटाइल. उसके नीचे कन्वर्ट करना इज इम्पॉसिबल. विलिंकर, SIS, Dalmia. So I recommend these 3 colleges if you have got around 90 percentile, 90, 92, 93, 94. 88 वाले को तीनों नहीं मिलेगा विलिंकर कोर. If you have 80 percentile, 82, 87, 88, 90, then I can recommend you विलिंकर अदर कोर्सेज. विलिंकर का रिटेल, हेल्थ केयर को ना कुछ कन्वर्ट दे देगा वो. एंड इफ यू आर लेस देन 80, 70 to 80 percentile, you have a very good chance for MET, IS, Chetna. I'm going to load a separate video for that. So I've already uploaded a separate video for that. तो PGDM को मिलेगा. तो CET MS program is for people scoring good percentile. वही कॉलेज का 97 is a percentile cut off for let's say MET. 70% is the cut off for MET. Alright, so option number 1 we have is CET, but we need good percentile. Option number 2 we have is PGDM. So there are 2 main courses we can apply for. Moving to third option is JBMS MSc Finance. This year JBMS MSc Finance is going to accept CET score. You have to separately apply like you apply for the PGDM courses. So PG also I need to separately buy the forms. So I personally feel cutoff for this will be 97 to 98 percentile. This year we don't know what is going to be the cutoff because this is happening for the first time. 2 years back when this happened, the cutoff was 95 percentile. तो हो सकता है कि 95 पे भी कॉल आ जाए, but let's assume 97, 98 percentile पे cutoff रहेगा for open category and 92 to 95 for the reserved category. Cutoff won't be that low because see problem is there are only 15 open seats. 15 सीट के लिए वो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. But because this is in JB, you should apply. So there are 2 kind of people who are applying. One who only want finance, and it's a good course, they're applying for that. Second is they were applying because it's in JBIMS. So whichever the reason, this is a very good backup plan. Even those who have 99.9 can apply for this course because you are getting entry into JBIMS. ठीक है, तो competition करेगा, need to prepare for the GDPI as well. So we are launching the GDPI program at CET King. In case you want to join us, you can call our centers and ask that. So we are conducting the workshops for MSc Finance GDPI. ठीक है. Next is ATMA MAT May. So May ATMA MAT will be accepted, yes, for the all India seats. We are part of India. Maharashtra people can also apply for all India seats. So anyone can apply here. The cutoffs are comparatively more higher. So I'm uploading videos regarding this as well. So there are individual videos coming as soon as possible. I'm going to upload those videos, but this is more of an overview. So May ATMA MAT I would recommend to anybody who have scored 80 percentile plus. See, 80 in CET means you can get 99 percentile in ATMA MAT. 95 wala can also get 99.9. So anyone, you need to get 99 percentile plus if you're targeting the top 10 colleges through ATMA MAT. So ATMA MAT result will be out before the document verification is over. So tab tak we can apply through the CET for the ATMA MAT scores. Okay. Next option is repeating CAT and CET. Yesterday I conducted this workshop, the same workshop in Mumbai, and there were at least 10 students in the hall who have got more than 10 percentile as compared to last year. For example, last year they got 70, this time you got 82. Last year around 10% increase. Last year 87, this year 95. And there was a student who got last year 50 percentile, this year 95 percentile. So we can give many examples who have done wonderfully well by repeating. There was one student who could not score, who scored less also, but most of the other people have scored more marks as compared last year. So repeating is equally good option. Age is one factor where people think मैं अभी already 24 साल का हो गया, 25 साल का हो गया. See, don't think age as a deciding factor, because in the long run, see, if you join a faltu college, I got 92 percentile, I joined a faltu college, your career is screwed up. If you join, because this is the final degree of a lifetime, so make it count. You have to join a good college, otherwise make no sense to do anything. Okay, so we have to target a top college so that I can get a better future prospect. So it's okay to repeat. In case your parents are not agreeing to repeat, you can make them talk to me, or you can bring them to center if you are based in Mumbai, Pune, so that I can talk to them, try to convince them why you should repeat. Okay, next option is going abroad. I only recommend Canada, Australia and US for going abroad. I don't recommend Ireland, Europe for these countries. So you have to talk to the agents and try to find out what courses you can go for. Last is job and do your MBA part-time. This is the worst case scenario which I don't recommend at all, because job, first of all, after dreaming for MBA, after preparing for MBA, you cannot work at a non-MBA ka salary and profile. Okay, that's the number one problem. Number two problem is part-time MBA have no value. Part-time MBA is required for the people who are already working and they want to enhance their profile. They just want a degree to prove that they are doing something. Okay, so I don't recommend those program. Okay, so these are the all options we have. I'm going to individually upload the video for each of them. I already uploaded for most of them, I think. So I'm going to put in the description box the video which I already uploaded. Okay, so let's hope for the best. Let's hope you get your all your career sorted. Now I don't want you to ask me question. Now if you WhatsApp me, don't ask me मेरा इतना आया अभी क्या होएगा. I've given you all the option कि क्या हो सकता है. Now you decide, should I take up this college through PGDM or should I repeat next year? Now that's the kind of question you can ask me. ठीक है, give me more. Now you already have the information. I've given you all the information. Now the decision to take. You can take my help in the decision making. You should not now ask me अब मेरा क्या होगा. ठीक है. So let's talk about that. This is the option now you have. So let's focus on what to do. ठीक है. All the best. Thank you.